Nation, and welcome to my studio. We are back at Wolf's Neck again and we're also back at Point Folly. This is early nature call, and the great thing about this particular painting is that I had to get up really early in the morning to do nature's call, and I noticed the sky was just incredibly beautiful, so I ran and got my camera and went up to the waterfront and started taking pictures. I'm just amazed about how the light is so delicate, and it's just amazing how you can see light but yet it's really dark, and so I was trying to capture that in the painting, and I'm really happy to be able to do that and work with the challenges of that light. To me it seems very foreign, so it's been very challenging to work in these series. Just like the last painting was early May showers, and then again referencing that to ebb tide. So it's kind of a chain effect of what's happening here. So I'm pretty excited about what's happening, and without further ado, let's see how this one was made.